Good job feeding her, baby. You're the only one in the whole family that's got to feed her with a bottle, huh?
Sissy can't hold her.
She can hold her with help, huh?
Yeah, I can do the milk.
You're big enough.
Yeah.
Here, tip it up a little bit. She likes that one, huh? Do you remember what her name is? What her whole name is?
Kimber.
What's her middle name? Liberty? Crosby? Carlson. I'll give her a bubba. Kimber,
Hey.
Liberty, Crosby, Carlson. She's holding a bubba too. Bryson, you're the best big brother.
Yeah.
How old are you? What? How old's Kimber? She's 0, huh? How old's Sissy? She's just 1, huh? Love you.